Jaroy came hella weak the first time. Not you, me. I came hella weak. That's my bad, so I'm gonna redo it. Okay, I'm smoking like a chimney. Oh, the money that they give me got me tipsy off my life, and now I'm seeding in his wife, and now she's seeing me like twice a day, trying to take her nights away, because when she with him, he played them games that she don't like that's that Call of Duty, EA games and shit, but she be coming to me, trying to say she taking my name and shit, trying to get rich, trying to get this money. It's funny how you bum me dummies trying to take this from me, and in different states they love me, saying that they ugly. Fuck me, I don't even know, don't give a fuck. The flow is coming all different, I don't even really know what to do, what to say. I'm going different ways, and now I'm looking at the clock, it's like 12 in the day, AM, say when you can come through, and I'ma do what I gotta do. Me and my crew do what we gotta do. I'm asking Colin Scooby-Doo.